Olymtech EPM series variable speed permanent magnet screw air compressor. Widely used in plastic, food, metal, cement, rice factories, etc. It is economic series, suit for wholesales. Olymtech offer OEM service. Assist agents build your own brand. Olymtech EPM series compressor equipped with inverter, save energy, high efficiency permanent magnet motor, low noise and low vibration, color touchscreen, easy to use. Olymtech has air tank, air dryer, air filter, nitrogen generator for you to choose. Buy compressor, choose Olymtech.